Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today we are celebrating a special milestone here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It is my 8th year anniversary here on YouTube. OMG, it seems like a very long time. I want to thank all of y'all for joining me on this incredible cooking journey, and I am looking forward to sharing more with y'all in the future. Well, to celebrate, I'm going to share with all of y'all a Southern key lime pound cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, it is a semi-homemade version. So we're going to use a cake mix, but we're going to doctor it up. And it's going to taste like you made it from scratch. Y'all going to love and enjoy this cake. It's going to be full of key lime flavor. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pound cake recipes, check out my pound cake recipes playlist and my previous video, blueberry dumplings. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your bundt pan, your cake mix, and your key lime juice, sugar, because we're about to bake some key lime pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dried ingredients in my medium bowl. We're going to add in a 15.25 ounce package of white cake mix. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of cake flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Going to whisk these together until they're well blended. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with a paddle attachment, or you can use an electric hand mixer with a large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Going to make the cake super moist. 1 cup of buttermilk, and this is my homemade buttermilk. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. 5 extra large eggs. 2 5.3 ounce cartons of key lime Greek yogurt. That's a cup. And my eggs, buttermilk, and yogurt was cold. Next, we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 tablespoon of pure lime extract, 1 tablespoon of key lime zest, and 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed key lime juice. And if you can't find key limes, you can use regular limes for the zest. And also for the key lime juice, you can use a bottled key lime juice. And I recommend using this. It's very good. So now we're going to mix these together on medium until they're well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Going to slowly add them in. Alright, last of the flour mixture. Mix them together until they're well incorporated. All right, and this is optional. I'm going to add in some green food coloring because I like my cake a little green. All right, that's good. And mix this in. All right, my friends, our cake batter is complete. And look at this beautiful green. Isn't that pretty? I'm in key lime heaven. I can smell the lime extract and the key lime yogurt and the zest and the juice. Smells wonderful. Now we're ready to pour the batter into our bun pan. We're going to pour it in a 10-inch bun pan and I spread it generously with baking spray. And this is what it looks like. Has flour. All right, so now we're going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now this is the important step. We're going to place the cake in a cold oven. Do not turn on your oven until the cake is in. Turn on your oven to 350 degrees and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my pound cake out of the oven. And it smells incredible. So now I'm going to set this aside while we work on our key lime simple syrup. In my medium saucepan, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, a half a cup of fresh key lime juice, and a half a cup of water. Give it a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, our liquid has came to a boil. So now we're going to let it cook until the sugar dissolves, about 3 minutes. All right, my friends, our key lime simple syrup is complete. See how the sugar dissolved? Excellent. Now we're going to pour in half of the simple syrup onto the warm cake. Going to poke some holes into the cake, like so. Oh, this is going to be good. All right, so now we're going to let the pound cake rest in the pan for 20 minutes. All right, my friends, time to flip the cake. Wish me luck. Ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Gorgeous! Oh, that is beautiful. All right, so now I'm going to poke some holes. We're going to pour the remaining key lime simple syrup. Alrighty, I got all the simple syrup onto the cake. Now we're going to let it cool completely. And while that's cooling, let's make our key lime glaze. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And into our powdered sugar, we're going to add a splash of pure vanilla extract. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. And 2 tablespoons of fresh key lime juice. And we're going to whisk these ingredients together until they're well blended. Alrighty, my friends, our key lime glaze is complete. This is the consistency we're looking for. And if it's too thick, you can add a little bit more key lime juice. And if it's too thin, you can add in more powdered sugar. So now our pound cake is nice and cool. We're ready to give it some sugar. And I lined it with wax paper for easy cleanup. We're just going to drizzle it right on top of the cake. Like so. Oh, my mouth's watering. Alright, so now we're going to gently remove the wax paper. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Southern semi-homemade key lime pound cake. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm going to let the glaze harden. And then I'll cut me up a slice. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have cut me up a great big southern slice. And I'm serving it with some fresh whipped cream and a lime slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yes, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. It is so moist, it melts in your mouth. Honey, you can't tell this is from a box. Key lime goodness. This cake is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Key lime pound cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy anniversary, Ellen's Homemade Delights.